Librarian Penny had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm she had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. Tuk 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 tuk. Tuk 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 tuk. Tuk 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 tuk. Here they are going into the house. Oh, one's coming out again. Tuk 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 tuk. The stripy hens are just young ones. Those other ones that are smaller are the grown-up hens. I wonder if they've laid any eggs today. Let's have a look. Oh, yes. We've got 2 eggs there. 1, 2. This one here is just a plastic egg, just so the hens know where they're supposed to lay their eggs. Librarian Penny had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm she had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. There's the ducks going into the pen. They want their dinner as well. Librarian Penny had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm she had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. I've got some apples for the sheep to eat. They mostly eat grass, but they do enjoy apples every now and again. My sheep are a bit different to the ones in the book we read this morning. They've got much shorter wool and they don't have any horns. Can you hear them eating the apples? Crunch, crunch, crunch. This one here in front is the daddy sheep, the ram.
Well, apart from my cat, that's all the animals I have on my farm. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. Bye.